All right, guys. It was hectic, but we made it. We are here in the taxi. Guys, this is the Airbnb where we stayed at. So, guys, we just got these things. I have no idea what you call them, but they're good.
To tighten. As you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down to locate your closest end.
All right, guys. It was hectic, but we made it. We are here in the taxi, driving now to the Airbnb. You guys take a look. So guys, this is the Airbnb where we stayed at. It's a big building. We're on the 7th floor, and this is actually the room right here. It's a nice view. If you go down this way, it's a nice view. You have the beach over there and all the buildings. Right now, we just got here and I'm very hungry, so I'm trying to figure out where the food is at. And we'll see. But I'll just let this one play so you guys can actually see what I'm seeing. To get this one.
Прямо? Так, прямо.
All right. How much? Completo? Yeah. Todo completo. ¿Qué? How much para todo? ¿Cuánto? 50. 50. 50? Sí. Muy expensivo, amigo. Completo, bien bueno. 25.
Can you try it? See if it works.
Yeah, let me try.
Tell me, he'll find somebody.
Yeah, let's try. Let's try.
Ask him to damn sure you can do try. Plug. Jimso, we're gonna try. Plug, see if it works. Make sense? Hold on. Let me get the first.
iPhone.
iPhone, yeah. No, he has.
Este no, deja conseguir el cable del iPhone. A ponerle iPhone. Okay.
You don't have the cord?
I left it in the room.
Well,
Le consigo el cable de iPhone. A ponerle iPhone. Este es iPhone.
Yeah, iPhone.
Da un momento.
Okay. For iPhone, yeah.
Este no es iPhone.
Okay, need one for iPhone. Yeah, this is the thing.
So as you can see, we are looking for phone chargers for iPhones. And I think we're getting hustled out here. So guys, we just got these things. I have no idea what you call them, but they're good.
Si no tiene, yo tengo.
Gracias. Y dar una orejita ahí. Fresh.
Fried?
Yeah. Plantain.
Plantains, yes.
Patacón.
How much is it?
Esto es 10,000. Where are you from? ¿Quieres que lo cambie mejor por pollo y patacón?
Tratadito, aguacate.
Sit down, no problem, bro.
No, we're good.
Está bien así. Yo dije que se sentara.
No, come on.